Today we're going to be installing Olixar's TPU screen protector for the Apple Watch. The watch we will be installing it on is a Series 5 44mm. However, the process will remain the same regardless of which one you have. To start with, you're going to want to turn off the Apple Watch. This will stop the screen lighting up during installation. In the package, you'll get 2 screen protectors, 2 wet wipes, a microfiber cloth, 2 dust stickers and an application card. So to start with, let's clean the screen. Grab the wet wipe and wipe the whole display. Next up, get the microfiber cloth and wipe the display until it's completely dry and clean. Now you need to dab the dust sticker on the display to lift off any dust. Take your time with this step. It's important not to get any dust trapped underneath the screen protector. Next up, grab the film screen protector and get the application card handy. Now you need to remove the back off the screen protector and carefully line it up with the device. I like to hover it over the screen until I'm happy with the position and then gently lower it down. You can then get the application card and run it down the screen protector to start sticking it to your device. Now work out any bubbles with the application card or microfiber cloth. Once you're satisfied with the installation, you can remove the second layer of the screen protector. Do this slowly so you don't pull the screen protector off the device. So there you go, Olixar's TPU glass screen protector. If you want to purchase one for your Apple Watch, check out the links below. And if you've enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe.